Word up, sweet lips. Speaking of word on the street is that a winter storm warning is in effect for Helena. I've heard that we are supposed to get up to 22 inches of snow and 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts. That's ridiculous. Typewriter Series today, 475. Here's your wee paper, and just a daily reminder that I sell prints of these at chasersofthelight.com/shop. This one has sold a ton of prints in the history of prints. It's a popular one for prints because it's a good little reminder. Here we go. Because of you, I can feel myself slowly but surely becoming the me I have always dreamed of being. Lofty praise for a loved one. Yeah, prints of that. Go buy it. Love ya.